In this video, I will showcase how our company is using the Rescale static analysis module in the CI environment of our application Seawater, otherwise known as Crisp.io. I will start on the Rescale dashboard website, where I will register a component that's going to represent our application. I will call it Seawater. And I will specify that the programming language this application is written in is Erlang. The component has been created. Now I have to take the unique authorization token that has been generated for this particular application, which is right here, and I take it over to the CI environment of our application. I save it as a secret in the CI environment. And then I go over to the CI actions page, where we have a separate workflow for running the static analysis module. I trigger this workflow manually, and we should see the workflow pop up in a few seconds. And there it is. Let's click on it. We regenerate our SBOM just to make sure it contains the latest information. While we wait, I'll show you the workflow file that defines what exactly happens in this GitHub workflow. On the left side, you can see an SBOM, an example of an SBOM specifically made for our application, as you can see. And on the right side, it's the workflow file. The interesting steps in it are regenerating the SBOM, which is what we just saw on the GitHub page. And then this is how we run the Rescale provided Docker container, which is the static analysis module itself. We provide to the container our source code, and we also specify an output directory just so that we gain access to the resulting files. We provide the secret that we took from the Rescale dashboard. We specify the programming language as Erlang. We specify the exact path of the source code and also of the SBOM. And we specify dry run false, which will cause the resulting SSCG to be uploaded to the Rescale dashboard. Let's see how the GitHub workflow is progressing. It is running SaveMe, which is a static analysis tool based on a large language model. It's called CodeBERT, and it's going to take a while until it finishes. As you can see, the scan has completed. The container produced an SSCG, and the SSCG was published to the Rescale dashboard. We also archived the SSCG and the test reports themselves as well, which means we can look at those files here. We can download the SSCG, And we can also download the test reports. This is the SSCG. And the test reports are all in Sarif format here. If you go back to the Rescale dashboard and refresh, we can see that the SSCG has been uploaded.